Here's how to play Half-Life 2 Co-op Synergy. So the first thing that you're going to do is go ahead and go to the main dashboard of your game and click on the game list options. Once you click on the game list options, go to the advanced options and you can now go ahead and edit the name, port, player slots, type, and difficulty of the game that you want. Click OK afterwards, and then you can now go ahead and select a setting that you want to play with. After selecting a setting, what you need to do is to click on OK, and you will see that it is now initializing the resources that you edit from the advanced settings option. After loading it, this will appear on your screen. You can now go ahead and play the Half-Life and Co-op and copy the IPv4 address so that you can just go ahead and paste it to your game to play the same settings again.